Hi, and welcome to Mystery Vlog. I'm your Samantha and Natasja, and today we're going to show you some Mandalorian Funkos.
Ooh,
I believe.
Mandalorian?
Especially Baby Grogu.
Because Natasja is a big Baby Grogu fan, not a Star Wars fan, no. Baby Yoda, as we call him. Yeah. Yes. So start with the first one.
The first one is the biggest one.
Big.
The biggest one.
Oh my god.
Look at it.
Is that a 10-inch bobblehead?
Yes. So you got a big bobblehead. You can do like this.
I'm just gonna take this off. Look at that sound.
It's like ripping a band-aid.
Oh yeah. Satisfying band-aids.
So can I cut it one door? Or?
No, it's already cut. No.
Oh.
No, you can just open it. Natasja already supplied that for us. She did that.
Put it down like this. Welcome. Big bobbleheads.
And whoops, I give it to you.
Oh, je zat een bubbly aan.
Yes. Let's test it.
Zo Maya, doe de bubble check of wat hoort het?
Yes. Approved.
He approves
Bubble
too.
check.
Yes.
Oh, look at the baby Yoda.
Look how cute.
Cute I am.
Look at the details.
I don't know if Baby Yoda talks like all
Oh my
Yoda,
gosh, I
but-
see myself.
Yes.
Hello Natasja! Viewers, here's Natasja! You trying to turn it?
Yes.
Shall I just help you?
Yeah. It won't work. It's like a glitch.
Yeah.
It's glitchy.
I don't have a holder anymore, so you can do it.
Right.
Okay, I've got a holder again. So,
Look at the baby.
what is this suit called? I've got the suit.
What it's made of? Breast card.
Yeah, press card. Look at that.
He approves too.
It's like
He approves.
It's
Yeah.
like the biggest bobblehead you ever seen.
Oh, this one is perfect for an interview. Well, no, wait, sorry, a quiz. I know the answer. But you know what I did? I left fingerprints. Sorry, Natasja, I left fingerprints on your collection. Fingerprints are gone now. See? Gone.
But now your DNA is on it. Your DNA.
No, sorry. Okay, so there's the first one. Okay, so next one is very cute. There you go. Just going to put in here. So next one is the child with egg canister. So this egg canister. Why are you making so much noise? Just put it somewhere.
Put it from the table, it's too
Yeah,
big.
just put it like next to the table.
Okay.
So now the noise is finally gone. We can talk about this cute little Baby Yoda, the child with egg canister. So this egg canister is very important in the second season. He uses the eggs as snacks, but they're not supposed to be snacks. But yeah. So have you seen the Mandalorian?
Not yet.
Why not? That is the first lineup. I actually saw something before we did this. So
You're not allowed to talk.
yeah. Ooh, that's a nice artwork inside. Look at that. You see the artwork?
Yes.
Cool. So, there you go.
You saw WandaVision.
But we're not doing a video on WandaVision. So, I saw WandaVision, but there are no WandaVision Funkos.
Look at it. Oh, it's cute.
It's so cute. Let's do the bubble check.
This whole set is hot when it is really cute.
This is cuter.
It's like giving the hats. I'm going crazy for hats.
Yeah, he's like, I'm craving them. Let me have them. But that was before the little macarons. So, I'm going to turn it. His head is like turning with us. It's like all eggs. So there's one thing I don't really like about this figure. The logo at the front. I don't know if all Star Wars Funkos have a logo, but I'm like, you're having a new show.
Because
Yeah, but that
the
one is not
display.
like that obvious. That one is like, I'm white and I'm here.
This is Star Wars, you look at stars.
Yeah, so then you've got all these figurines and then Star Wars logos. But then again, who knows? But yeah, placing the Mandalorian next to it.
So that little child is looking at the big child.
Oh, you mean like this? Hello. Oh.
Or maybe he's looking at the eggs.
Yeah, he's like,
Eggsy.
eggsies.
Oh, they have eggs.
Yeah, I think you're right. He's like eggsies. Give me some eggsies. So you've got another one?
I got another one. And this one is the Mandalorian and the child one. How do you call it?
Banta. One banta.
I'm gonna open this one. If you want to.
You just run away with packing this. Otherwise I make too much noise.
This one also got
Ooh. Look at the lips.
look how big it is.
Yes, beautiful lips. Glorious.
Papa yes. Oh, Jan, look at the lips.
She just noticed the lips.
Well, I can't see them now. Like, there.
Hey, don't look at it. Just turn it for the viewers.
Okay. So they got also a little baby Yoda. Look at this.
Well,
This
that-
logo is more subtle.
Yes.
But this head, like the figurine of the Banta,
It's like-
is very detailed. There's even like discoloration on his horns. Even the fur is like layered with different shades.
But also,
Yeah, this is like a non-like...
they're blended like in with
Yeah, they're blending in the scenery.
And the most important thing, that's a cute baby Yoda.
yes.
Just lying in his little bag. Look at that. I haven't seen it. I just saw like the picture on the box, but I think it's very cute. But I was talking about like the horns. There's different
The
colors.
Banta looks cute too.
Yeah. Even his lips are cute. Want to see? Does his lips have? No. There's just like many colors, like in his fur. There's dark brown, light brown, different shades of brown.
But look at the logo, this one is way more subtle.
Yeah, subtle logo.
So they blended in with the rest of the colors. Like,
So how
So-
would you place this? Like, I'm like, this side you can only see them, and this one side you can only see
What you like
Banta.
more? Maybe you like the Banta more, or maybe you like Baby Yoda more.
I think for this,
But I think it's on the side because the logo is on the side.
yeah. But I still think I would display this in a cabinet with a mirror behind it, so you can see more details.
so you can see the whole picture like
But
this.
this one is very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put this real quick. Do you still have a Funko left?
No, it's
Okay, so this one is the last one. Okay, this one, I'm going to just move it just a little bit. Move the Mando, move the grading eggs. So here we have the Mandalorian with the child. And it doesn't say more, but yeah, it's the Baby Yoda in his cradle.
Oh, look cute.
Yeah. I'm coming unboxing. Okay. Can you pull it out? Ooh, look at the scenery.
Look at the background.
Also a bubble hand. Baby Yoda cannot move, so that's okay. Whoa, do you see that bubble action?
Yes.
Ooh! We like it. We like it. Want to do it too?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Baby Yoda is next to him like,
Yeah, Baby
Oh
Yoda's,
my
yeah, he's like, no, he doesn't move. So I'm gonna turn it again. This one is so easy to turn.
oh, I like the little crab.
Yeah. Look at that. Mando's head is like, Awesome. So this one is also very detailed.
Yes.
Ooh, you can even see his coat on the back side. Look at that. Baby Yoda's coat right there. You see that? Cute. There's even details on the back side.
Yes.
Like,
Because also the other helmet, like discoloration.
I think so. Maybe it's
More like sand, something
I
like
think
this.
it's sand. Let me just turn it to Natasja. There's sand on his helmet. Sorry.
This one is the most bubbly.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So
I have to do it again.
I said this one, like next to me, this big one, was for quiz. But this one is quiz. Oh gosh, look at it. So I'm gonna put them right here so Natasja can do a lineup. Okay. So if you like these lineup of Funkos, you can buy them at your local stores, like Natasja did. I'm resisting the bobblehead. I'm not touching them.
Me too.
So, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe. Like the video, of course. Share, comment on it, whatever you want. And tell us your favorite Funko.
Yeah.
So, Marjolein, what's your favorite Funko?
I like
Too
it.
much cuteness.
Yes.
So, which one?
This one because it was bubbly.
I was like this one, but that was before I saw the other ones. And like this one is great too. I'm not going to buy the 10-inch ones, otherwise my cabinet will be like...
Well, or they need to make them smaller ones as well. Because it was awesome.
Hey, there are smaller ones. This is
Oh,
just
this one?
the 10-inch. I don't know if it's this one, but I know there are more like smaller
Because I don't have
ones.
space for this one.
And I'm saying it like this because we have a second video coming up with a smaller one. So yeah, so that's gonna be great. So we will see you next time.
Yes.
Bye bye.